Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Healthy Desi Cooking. In today's video we are going to make mint margarita with our own new recipe. For that we are going to need, of course, mint, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar and some lemons. So let's get started. In the juicer we have added the mint, some water, cold water, sugar and black pepper. Then going to mix it until the formula turns green and you going to see some small chunks of mint. You can add some more mint as per taste, and the mixture should have strong taste of mint and strong smell of mint. Once we're done mixing it, then we're going to pour it into the glasses and then going to show you. So this is how we make mint margarita. Some people do add carbonated drinks or carbonated water. That is totally optional and up to you. Carbonated drinks are not so healthy, so we avoid it. So this is our today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and do comment and share your thoughts with us. Meet you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. In the other glass we have poured some food color to make it more funky.